If, say, someone that's in a similar role to you from a prospective customer of ours was to say, Chloe, here you're using Uptick, what do you think? Would you recommend it? What would your sort of response to that be?
100%. Yeah, it's the first thing I said as soon as I saw it, that previous companies I've worked for could benefit massively from having a system like it.
From an ops point of view, it's a no-brainer. As we're growing, we've always grown as a company. So as we're growing, it's essential for us to have the right tools to do the job.
Having a up-to-date client management system, managing all the different elements that we've never been able to manage correctly before. So assets, client data, booking information, all of the elements of information that we gain from our clients, being able to manage that in a very hands-on and easy to get to format is essential for us to be consistent, efficient in what we do and kind of take it to the next level.
I really like using it from a servicing point of view because of time. I can quote a service very quickly. I could be on the road, on a train, as long as I have signal, and I can turn a quote around really quickly.
That side of things, you can already tell how much more smooth it is going through the process in comparison to what we had before.
Being introduced to Uptick was mind-blowing because like doing the stock take on the iPad instead of writing it down on a piece of paper. So yeah, game changer.
If you have a standalone system which doesn't connect with your accounting system, then obviously it's two double entry typing of everything, which is prone to errors. But with Uptick, this side is just pull it through, it's just done there. So this create more time of concentrating of more important issue in the business.
But I would say also just having the maps on there has been quite helpful. How you can see the engineers and where they are, and you can go around and do service groups.
You can see about, the materials that you need for the jobs. So say if you're trying to install something that you need to pick up that day.
In terms of sort of the functions on the app as well, you've got like the timeline function. So if I get to a job and I'm a little bit stuck or someone's been there before me and I don't know exactly what they've done, I can go back and I can look at their old report to give myself a better idea of what it is I'm supposed to be doing.
Uptick is going to be a big part of our growth, part of my plan to grow the business, and one of the reasons why we looked at bringing Uptick into the growth for the next 30 years.